So I feel like there was that overall shift or ideology na, let's just enjoy this for what this is and let's
Yeah.
not put a label on it.
That's so hard to navigate.
Yes.
Like, I can't imagine being in my 20s at this time. Mababaliw ako. Are labels important to you guys? Personally? Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
So, sino ba nagsasabi hindi importante yung label? Lahat kami dito sa court. Yes, yes, labels important. Oh. So, nasan yung mga... Ayaw
Siyempre, alam mo,
Hirap.
hindi naman sila aamin. Because, I dare say this, the main reason why they don't want to put a label on it is because they don't want people to know about it. Because they are enjoying the limbo of ambiguity. Because they're not accountable to anything, they're not responsible for anything, but they get the full benefit of a full committed relationship. So why would I put a label on it if that would mean I would have to be bound by certain responsibilities and expectations if I can get this freely from you because you freely give it to me,
Yeah.
And that's, and manganganak na ng sanga-sangang problema na yun,